It is an app that communicates with robots remotely. It has 4 functions. The first function, user. It is to display your personal account information, which includes account number, password, nickname. The second function is terminal. It is to display the information of a robot list. Click on the sub-item to chat with your robot, such as, "What are you doing?" "I'm talking to you. This message is from your robot." The third feature is that you can add questions and answers to send to your robot. Click Question and Answer. And click the plus button. Okay, such as, "How do you feel about me?" The answer is, "My master is naturally funny and cute, sexy and fashionable. Oh God, I'm crazy about you." Okay, click Save. Then click on the sub-item of the list and select the robot ID. The pop-over shows all your robot numbers. Okay, click Send. The fourth feature, text. It is that you can edit the text and send it to the robot, which will broadcast it as a voice. Click the plus button, such as "Long time no see." Click Save. Then click on the sub-item of the list and select the robot you want to send. This pop-over shows all your robot numbers. Okay, select your robot ID and click Send. Game over.